I will talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just go down here, you will find here more, just click on it. When you click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you scrolling down here until you will find here settings, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on account info here. So then it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you. So then all you have to do now, you just scrolling down here until you will find your theme. Just click on it. Then you click here on dark. Then it's going to change with you automatically to dark mode here on your Roblox app. So when you just go back here, then it's going to change with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.